welcome back to the out fishing. It's an early one, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. We decided late last night that we're going to have a session down on the Wirral. We're fishing light gear again for smooth hounds. Bait, we've got frozen peeler and prawn. Let's see how we get on.
Said early one on the Mersey, late night decision last night that we'd come down and have another go for the smooth hounds on a light gear. But we don't regret it because the tides are perfect for it. No, 20 minutes or so now. Well, let's get it back in. Not on a small rod. We just missed a bite on the camera. Actually nearly took his tripod over. That's why his airlight's down there. Oh.
It's right around there, lads.
You like a decent one, mate?
Yeah.
just seen there, a little bit of action. Lewis had a fish on. Unfortunately, the line rubbed on the steps and snapped, so he lost it, but showing it there. Wasn't on a small rod, like it was on his back up air power. But
My favourite.
his favourite. Oh. He's just setting back up now. A bit gutted we didn't get the bite on camera because he didn't set his ratchet and the whole thing nearly went in up
My
just
bait elastic's gone.
Alright mate, it's only a bait elastic, I've got a spare one there for you. There's one in my bag. Oh, yeah. Didn't put his ratchet on. Whole tripod went over. Bent his leg.
The only time I didn't put it on as well.
The only time he didn't put it on, he says. Oh. Just had to bend his leg back on the tripod. Airlight went on the floor. Let's see if we can get a fish up here instead of it snapping off on us. Right, I'm going to go and change my bait. Just been fishing over an hour, maybe an hour and a half, haven't we, mate?
Yeah.
Only bit of action we've had so far is our nearly losing his rods. But other than that, baits are coming back as good as they went in.
Just had a little tap on me, a little rod.
Gives a go getting a bite.
A little judder on it.
Well, yeah. Thought we'd point the camera this way in case our losers rods nearly go in again. Size of the ship coming through, mate.
I know. Can't even see it because my head.
Yeah. Big cruise liner coming in. It's out of Mersey. Oh. You getting a bite on that? You getting one on your big one now, it's going. Bite on his rod there. Oh.
I need to turn me
Fish on, mate.
Yeah.
Fish on for Lewis. I'll point the camera around and let's see if we can get him.
It's him.
Oh. Maybe not. Someone's cast over his line. It is very busy down here when they're enough sitting on each other's knees. Well, he's gone down there to untangle it. These smooth hounds are evading our airlights, aren't they, on these sessions, but we are determined to get one on them, so we're going to keep going until we get one. As I said, this is only going to be a short session. I'm going to go and change my bait anyway. He's down there. Fish on? No, not fish on. The way he was reeling, thought he did have a fish on and he was tangled around him as well. Well, fella's about 50 yards down the prom. Cast right over our Lewis. Oh, right, I'm going to go and change my bait. Hopefully we'll have a fish soon. We've decided to fish an hour after as well, changing a bait. Only bit of action still. Our Lewis has lost fish. Baits are coming back just as good as we put them in. That's a prawn there, mate. Oh. Our Lewis having all the bait over by him. Yeah. So, the only bit of action we've seen, Tommy, it's the only bit of action we've seen right away along the prom. You look how busy it is. Yeah. People right away down there. And
there's a few behind us.
Yeah, a few behind us there. So, no fish coming out along the prom. Our Lewis would have had the only one if we got it in. So, get this bait on, get it out there, give it another hour. We'll bring you back if we get a fish. If not, it'll be the outro. Session over, unfortunately no fish. Just getting the gear back in the car with Lewis. Since we've had a go for hounds on a like here, doesn't seem to be we're getting them, so determined to get one. Don't know whether to keep it going. Do you want to keep it going?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to keep it going then, so we'll have another session soon on the airlights for the hounds. We're not going to let it dishearten us too much. It's only a little session, so see if we can make a video out of it, and see you all next time.